What's up, guys? Back at day 3. I just got here. Some stuff small things came in the mail. Not a whole lot, but some stuff did. We have plates and some of the clips I ordered. I did also order carpet, but that I think is coming a little bit later. It said it was shipped from their vendor. So those are probably gonna be coming in a little bit later. But the sooner the better, because I can throw the carpet in and then get the seats reupholstered, and like the interior is pretty much done. I mean, besides door panels, but those are later anyway. Today I am going to try to throw on the decklid lock. One second here. Alright, here we go. So I did get the lock assembly mostly together for the decklid. So I'm going to try to throw that on. I also have the stealth wing mounts, so I might try to put it on the stealth wing and pull the carpet on the driver's side for sure today, especially considering that's going to be coming in soon. So yeah, also throw on the plates. So I'm going to do that. And alright, I just got the decklid lock working on the back. Pretty freaking easy. Here's how it works. So you have your curved doodad hooked in here through the spring, like that, and that ain't going nowhere. And then this is hooked into a little latch in there, you can kind of see it. And then this just bolts right up in here. So I'm pulling it back apart to put the cover over it. And then once this is on, decklid lock is fixed, and that was easy. Had all the parts there already laid out for me. Previous owner was going to do it, but never got around to it. Very, very easy. It was only like 5 minutes. So if your decklid is not working, order all the parts. It's pretty much just your lock, your mount, and your rod right here. I think they're all on the Fiero store. If this, if your actual lock itself isn't working, then you're screwed. But if just the lock part isn't working, very, very easy install. And yeah. Alrighty. I got the carpet out. Looks like we have insulation. If the carpet comes with insulation, I'll put it back in. If it doesn't, I think I might just stick to sound deadening, which I just need to start installing. Power switch for the mirrors. I super glued it like right onto the panel. I think I got a little bit of super glue into it. So this part doesn't work. These all work right up here, but this side does not, which is not a big deal. Power mirrors are I would call them an unnecessary luxury. I don't think you need to have power mirrors in a car. It's nice, but in the long run you can just push it out yourself if you need to, like on the Magnum. But this has power mirrors too. Anyway, yeah, I fixed the decklid hood. The wing, a few parts broke on it, or a few clips anyway. So a wing clip like that the screw goes into. 2 of those broke, so I needed to go get new ones before I can install a wing. I did test mock up the wing. I think it looks pretty good with the stealth wing like all the way back. So yeah, not sure what I have to do. There's lots of trim that I'm missing. I could put the steering wheel back on. I also did get like $1 out of all the extra changes hidden in the carpet. Yeah, but I did get the louvers on as well. If I didn't update that, those look pretty good. And I fixed the decklid lock, as I'll demonstrate. So now I have 3 keys to it. So door lock, decklid lock, ignition is the blue one. So this is the decklid lock. And I will try to do this because it bounces up. So So you see that? Opened it up. And there's my engine, if I haven't shown that on video yet. Powder coated yellow, cold air intake. Missing a catalytic converter. I mean, it's looking pretty good. It might be ready to be, you know, once the thing is new brake pads and seats are reupholstered and all the interior trim is in. Besides probably the door handles, I can wait on those. But yeah, I'm not sure what to continue doing. I'm just gonna like look through the boxes, I guess, and might try to pull off, find the door relays. I don't know. There's not a whole lot I need to get done, so I might be at a stopping point until I get this carpet in, or until I have a second hand. I need my dad to help me, or maybe I'll get someone else up. But kind of at a stopping point, I would say. Maybe I might work on the front bumper, but yeah.